Thank you for being here, Denis. Denis, you are a regional leader for Central, Eastern, and Eastern Europe for Autodesk. So you are responsible for the sales, for the client's perspective. So can you tell us a little bit about how do you see the market? Where do you see the market going? What is current trends in Autodesk clients, in Autodesk development? How Autodesk see the future for the clients?
Okay, thank you so much. So first of all, I would like to thank you for the trust and the invitation. It's a great pleasure to be here and to witness the impressive expertise that you show here and your clients. So the best practice, the family, how you call it, is really impressive, and it's an honor to be part of that.
Thank you.
And I really enjoy to be here and to listen and all these expertise and best practice. And to your question, when you think about the market trends or like where the needs of the market goes, it's a like very rich facets. But what I would say is that the main target or main issue that companies are facing is capacity. So how we can increase capacity, and for sure like disruptive trends like AI, automation, better leverage of data is a unique opportunity. And with the rise of new technologies like AI, I think they are looking for the right and sincere partners to provide those technologies in a way that really has an impact on efficiency, on effectiveness in the whole value stream. If it is design and engineering, or the planning and simulation of new plants or brownfield plants, but also the actual construction and the site integration and operation of the plants. All these areas face friction and limitations today. And I think if we can provide our technology and be able to converge the design and make phase, we can really be a trusted business partner to these industries and can help them to increase capacity and better serve their clients. Yeah.
Right now, Autodesk is 190 applications, something like this.
Yeah, I would say 185.
85, okay.
But don't count on me on the exact number at the moment.
Flexim is one of them. Yeah? And I can see that a lot of things is going around Flexim.
Yes.
Yeah, you have Flexim, and I see there's more and more integration from Autodesk, from Inventor, from Revit. Yeah. So, and there's, I think, the way is to create, as you said on our conference, the common data environment.
Yes.
Can you tell us a little bit more about this approach?
Yeah. So Autodesk has been investing a lot into our platform, and it's called Autodesk Platform Services. And we think about the platform as a common technology stack that we use to build our own web services, but also to allow our clients to leverage these microservices and connect all the technologies they are using, and in the end also to build their own web services. And these Autodesk Platform Services has also a common data layer, and we have these industry clouds. And we have one industry cloud which is called Flow for the media entertainment industry. One is called Forma for the AEC infrastructure industry, and the one that we are in the design manufacturing field focusing on is Fusion. And as you just mentioned, the collaborative workflows between those platforms and between those tools is a game changer for the industry. And as you mentioned, Flexim, you are having these large models. I saw this warehouse models that you're working with, and you have also the companies who build the racks and those warehouses, and you have the construction field, and the common data environment has the idea to level up or to elevate this on-premise planning design data into a cloud environment that all the stakeholders that work together in the design, plan, build and operation phase have access to. And then it is much easier to communicate issues, to reduce friction in the process, and also improve the overall performance of the whole project, reduce costs, but at the end of the day also for companies like you, increase capacity by doing more of those projects at the same time. I think this is an important strategic perspective on it, but on the very operational level, I'm always impressed when I talk to clients who has implemented the common data environment, that there are so many very easy to access features that they can use to improve collaboration. For example, the ability to load all the different models from the different stakeholders in the project and make this model consolidation with a lot of automation. Just import all these models and it consolidates it, and that you are able to track changes, having the revisions in the data in the cloud, and also to be able to compare versions from a certain date to today. This reduces so much friction and makes it easier to work with these changes. And one of the elements that most of our clients appreciate very early in the process is that you are able to make these issues, right? You have this ability, if the site worker works through the warehouse, you have a project to improve processes, you made a design, and he works through the warehouse and see something that does not make sense to your model, and he can just create such a issue.
Notes, yeah.
Yeah, it's like make a bubble on this drawing exactly on the same
like
page.
Comments in Office, yeah. So
it's like a comment, yeah. And you can make a picture, you can put it behind it, and just send it to you. And it's a very seamless communication and collaboration platform. And I think this will be, as Sipa yesterday mentioned, will be really a game changer if we can bring all the stakeholders together to work more.
I was really impressed, the way or how Outless moves forward with Flexi. But I think years ago you have this one guy, that simulation modeler. He's doing everything, building model, and all this knowledge was in this model. Yeah. And now I can say that with Outless you can from inventory, you were showing us that you can take models out of the cloud, or cloud of points, have it put into Flex Team, automatically update it. Those are great feature. I'm really happy that we will have this in Flex Team, because now the collaboration between, let's say, modelers, designers, architects is possible, because they have the common language, this CDE, common data environment. They have common language and they can work together. And this is something I'm really excited, and I'm really glad that you guys out there are giving us this opportunity, so we can communicate internally, externally also, with different softwares, Inventor, Revit, whatever, and create, let's say, one big, knowledge, information, data together and create everything. Because it's a capacity, but the capacity of our engineers, and also capacity of the site, because we can increase capacity of our work, our engineers, and of course, thanks to simulation, our production line.
Absolutely,
also,
I completely agree.
How do you see this approach with digital factory will change in, maybe 3 years, 4 years? How do you see it? Because right now, we are moving to digital twin. I think this is the way. But do you think there is something benefit? Because you have AI, digital twin, there are big buzzwords in the industry. What will be next? Or maybe where it will be moved?
So I think an important aspect that we have discussed yesterday, what I'm extremely passionate about is the partnership between academia, industry, and also government associations, because I feel like where we are today, and you can see online the Autodesk University keynotes from Andrew Anagnost and Steve Hooper, Amy Bansal, the industry keynotes and the Autodesk General keynote, and you can see a lot of new announcements. And I would say the ability and the possibilities are quite on an interesting level. And I think we need the collaboration between industry, academia, and all these technology vendors to level up the skills and up
work from ground up, yeah?
I wouldn't say. I think I do really respect in all these expert areas where we are, and the cases that are presented here and that you present are really best in class, I would say, for this. And when you bring it all together, I think there's a huge opportunity in the market. What we have already in place now, it's about adoption, about education, and I'm pleased about the interest of the Warsaw University of Technology, and further a professor that you have introduced me to, about the intent really to have a sustainable impact on the industry and on the economy. And I think this is something where we have huge potential still with the current technologies. And our CEO, our company, we are very, very committed on leveraging our resources. Andrew always says we want to leave this world better than we found it when we saw it, right? And we will invest heavily in leveraging the technologies, available new possibilities of AI, and to improve our already existing services. And I think especially for Digital Factory, if you think about the possibilities to converge the AEC industry with the design manufacturing industry, and also leveraging such technologies that allow us to immerse the reality and also leverage data from the field and be
take the best things from both worlds and combine it, yeah?
This is one important aspect, I think, which would increase the power heavily. And the whole new... So we expect that we are now in a time where we will really be able to make a difference to all of us, because this next 5 years will be changing a lot in the way what's possible. And for us, it's very important to be proactive and intentional with the power of development that we have to make sure that we can really provide the technology to be strong business partners to the industry. I think we will see a lot of opportunity coming up. Yeah.
I hope we could be able to, together flexing Autodesk, to be able to give as much value added to the client as possible. Yeah?
And that's what always drove me most, is right, how we can add sustainable value, have a long-term partnership, and also develop sustainable trust with the industry. And I think, AI is something that really is disruptive.
Yeah,
and we will
chaotic. No one knows where it will go.
Yes, I think there's a lot of changes. But with MCP now and the opportunity to connect the databases, to integrate several technologies together into context intent, it's the absolute game changer. And we saw just with Autodesk Assistant, we are today in the AEC industry, we are the only end-to-end connected cloud workflow in the market. And I think, especially for Digital Factory, as you live always in those construction sites, it's a game changer. And so I'm very intentional and I'm very passionate about the future, and think that already today we have huge opportunity to make an impact.
Yeah, and we are very happy that flexing is a part of this opportunity, part of the future, yeah?
Absolutely, and it's part of our fusion vision and strategy. And we are very, very intentional about Digital Factory and Flexim and the community that you have built, and the power of the use cases is very promising, and I think it will level up. As for me, I think these existing applications and the opportunity in this, as you mentioned, in tangible areas for design and make with Inventor and AutoCAD and Revit, and on the other hand, the collaboration, construction cloud, and all the capabilities in the operation with Tandem, when you bring that all together, it's a win-win-win opportunity. And I hope we can achieve that as soon as possible together.
It looks like a nice future. Nice. Thank you very much. I hope we see each other on the next conference, yeah? Next year.
For sure.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, David. Thank you for the trust and the collaboration, and look forward to make such good work together.
Thank you very much.